I have no idea how this vlog is gonna come together, so sorry if it's all over the place. Hey friends. Yeah, so I look like I'm ready for bed because I kind of am ready for bed. I have had a pretty long day today. I'm talking to you from my hotel room in Nashville. I drove up earlier this morning. Now I'm meal prepping for tomorrow, so I've got eggs cooking behind me. You guys might be able to see that in this region here. Doing my hard-boiled eggs for the morning because more than likely I'm gonna be rushing. And I'm also about to ground some turkey with like onions and peppers. It's gonna be pretty basic, but it is going to be delicious. And then I'm also gonna do some fried rice with it. Fried rice. So if you guys are down to see that and want to kind of see that process, keep on watching. So I'm gonna speed it up because nobody wants to sit there for 30 minutes. So yeah, enjoy this. Good morning, friends. Happy Thursday. It's about 7 a.m. I had to get up really early. I have a really early client meeting and I'm gonna be out for most of the day. I cooked last night, so I've got that food in the refrigerator. I start my mornings off. I love this passion tea. Let me see where it is. This is my jam. I melt down honey. So basically I put honey in a cup with hot water. I put it in the microwave, I let it melt, and then I put the tea bag in, and then I pour it over ice. So it's an iced passion tea. It's the small things, right? I just wanted to check in with you guys because I actually look like a human today, and that doesn't happen all that often. So here we are. It's Saturday. It is 11:47. It's very important to note that. I'm sitting in Piedmont Park and behind me, the Jazz Festival is going on. I told my friend Chris, she's amazing, she's a trainer here in Atlanta, she does hills on Saturday, so I told her I was gonna come this Saturday. I might have should have asked more questions because these hills, again, I fully accept responsibility for not asking enough questions. I'm now like 45 minutes late. this is a thing. Speaking of.
Hey y'all!
So I was just saying how misinformed I was because I didn't ask enough questions about this damn hill.
Hey, you made it though. You made it. And now you gotta run one. You know what though?
Just pray for my survival.
She's gonna be alright. She's already talking herself out of it.
Do you see her shoulders though? Do you see the
Do you
shoulders?
not understand the death I experienced this morning with these shoulders?
Yeah! Yeah! Saturdays, 11, the Hills ATL. Good vibes, good energy, good tribes.
You don't even have to tell me I look a mess.
Ain't that, hey, I'm glad
that I did this. I'm glad that I came out because short, sweet, but that burn is so real. Like, let me get to the car because I know I smell. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I came home, chilled out a little bit, took a shower. Now I'm meal prepping. This is 99% lean ground turkey with mushrooms. I seasoned it with a variety of random things that we had inside of the cupboard, like pepper. I used a little bit of ranch, like the powdered ranch, some mesquite, some like grilling stuff that sounded like it might be good. These could turn out really nasty for all I know. I doubt it, but that's a possibility of just using random stuff. I added a little egg so that these guys would stick a little bit better and so they also wouldn't be so dry. I have eggs in my meal plan, so I account for that in my daily, like in my breakfast. I'll cut back on some of what I'm supposed to eat because I know that I've used egg as an ingredient later in the day for these burgers. So I just wanted to show you guys that. It's gonna be a pretty chill rest of the day, and tomorrow, thank you so much to a suggestion, I'm going to kind of give you guys a little insight into me, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys back here in a little while. I came to the realization this week that I'm gonna have to step it up. What I was able to accomplish for the first show and for that first hurdle was, it took everything out of me. And I was so proud that I was able to do that. That's the baseline now. I have to come up better than that. If I were to write down on a piece of paper everything required for me to reach this goal and to do it to the best of my abilities, I have to hold myself responsible for actually doing the things on that list, or admitting to myself, maybe you don't want it that bad. Maybe you don't want it bad enough. I realized that I was getting lazy and that I was trying to get the same or better results doing the things that I did the last time, and that wasn't going to work. So now that I know better, I have to do better. I have to step it up. I have to be more consistent. I haven't been going as hard as I know that I can. I know that I have more. When you say we got goals, whatever that goal is that you're talking about, we gotta go 100%. We gotta go 150% towards that. I'm learning. I thought I had it figured out. I did not. I am learning.